Blend, sip, repeat. A healthy smoothie for your new kitchen. Sunshine in a glass, healthy smoothie. Before we blend and pretend we're at a fancy spa, stay to the end for a fun smoothie fact that'll make you look wildly intelligent at breakfast. And hey, if you're looking for a new kitchen to blend in, don't forget me. I'd love to be your favorite go-to Space Coast Realtor. Call or text anytime. The Space Coast Power Smoothie. Healthy plus actually tastes good. Makes one large smoothie or two smaller. Good for energy, fiber, protein, and that I made a good choice today feeling. Ingredients: 1 cup unsweetened almond milk or milk of choice. 1 cup frozen mixed berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries. 1 banana, fresh or frozen. 1 big handful of spinach, about 1 cup. You won't taste it, I promise. 1 tablespoon of chia seeds for fiber and omega-3 boost. 1 tablespoon peanut butter or almond butter, healthy fats plus yum. 1/2 of a cup of Greek yogurt, plain or vanilla for extra protein. And optional, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon, helps it taste like a treat. Optional, a few ice cubes if you want it extra thick. Step-by-step directions. Add liquid first. Pour the almond milk into your blender. This helps everything blend smoothly instead of turning into a blender tantrum. Add soft ingredients. Add your banana, Greek yogurt, and peanut butter. Add the power-ups. Toss in spinach and chia seeds. And add the frozen fruit. Add your frozen berries last. This helps weigh things down and blend evenly. Then we blend. Start on low for 10 seconds, then blend on high for 30 to 45 seconds until creamy. Check consistency. Too thick? Add a splash more milk. Too thin? Add a few more frozen berries or a handful of ice. Taste test. If you want it sweeter, add a little more banana or a drizzle of honey. Optional. Pour and enjoy. Serve immediately and feel proud of yourself. You earned it. Fun add-ons if you want to mix it up. For more protein, add a scoop of protein powder. More fiber, add a 1/2 cup of oats. Tropical vibe, swap berries for frozen mango and pineapple. Extra creamy, use coconut milk or add avocado. Fun smoothie fact. Told you I'd save it to the end. Smoothies became a thing in the U.S. in a big way thanks to health food cafes in the 1960s and 70s, and they exploded even more when blenders became common in homes, because apparently the world collectively decided chewing was optional at breakfast. Your turn. What's your favorite smoothie flavor? Strawberry banana? Tropical? Peanut butter chocolate? AKA dessert pretending to be healthy? And if you're looking for your next new kitchen to blend in, I'd love to help you find it right here on the Space Coast. Call or text anytime. You can call or text 321-480-7662. Email me at margaret.klein@exprealty.com. Check out my website at margaretsellshomes.com or my YouTube channel for fun facts and all about the Space Coast at Dream Homes, Space Coast, Florida. Margaret Klein signing off, and you have an amazing and healthy day.